Hello to all my dear friends. I hope you all are doing well in this unprecedented situation. In this video, as you all know, I have made a unmanned aerial vehicle that is a quadcopter. You can also say a drone. So as you can see in the video, I am on my terrace and I have armed my quadcopter and take it off. So here's the takeoff. So now I am flying it in my nearby area to show you the stability of it. So in the meantime, let me give you a brief description about what are the details of this quadcopter and how I had prepared it is and which material I have used. So first of all, let me tell you the description, a brief description of it. This quadcopter has a flight time of 25 minutes constantly in air without any problem. So it has 5200 mAh battery with 3 cell, that is 11.1 volt on discharge voltage and 12.6 on full charge voltage. The battery is of lithium polymer so that it can provide high rating of current to make the quadcopter fly in the sky. The next feature of this quadcopter is it has a GPS module in it so that it knows where it is flying, and due to the GPS module, one more feature gets added to it, that is the RTL. RTL means return to launch. The position from where you have flied your quadcopter, it will automatically be land if you press the RTL switch on your transmitter or remote, you can say. So the next feature in this quadcopter is its stability. The stability of this quadcopter is superb as compared to a handmade drone. It gives you a superb stability, a premium superior quality of stability, you can say. So this is due to the GPS, and the flight controller which I have used is Pixhawk 2.4.8 flight controller, which gives you a massive stability in this quadcopter. The next feature is that you can lift up to a payload of 1 kg very easily into a desired height you wanted to lift. Next is this quadcopter has a range of 1 kilometer that may vary a bit due to the radio signals in the air. For example, the towers which are installed get interfered in between the signals of these transmitter, so these signals become low, but not very much, but they affect them. So these are a brief description of my quadcopter. I have used 4 motor that are BLDC motor with 4 ESC, that is electronic speed controller, to control the speed of the motors. And as I told you, I have used a Pixhawk 2.4.8 flight controller to give a better stability, best stability you can say, and 5200 mAh 3 cell polymer, that is lithium polymer battery. So this is the brief description of my quadcopter. Hope you will like this video and share this video with your friends. I have made this project within a time period of 2 months. That's a huge time for me. So I hope you will like this, and you will like this video also, and subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. So this was the video. I hope it was beneficial. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you. So as you can see, I have perfectly landed this on my terrace with a perfect takeoff and perfect landing. Thank you.